Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey into the future of money. Because today, we're unraveling the mysteries behind digital currencies. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into the crypto waters, this video is your backstage pass to the most exciting show in town. So, hit that subscribe button, grab your favorite crypto-themed merch, and let's dive in. What are digital currencies? Alright, first things first. What on earth are digital currencies? Well, think of them as online money, but cooler. These are currencies that exist only in the digital realm, and they're not controlled by any big shots like governments or banks. It's like money for the people, by the people. Key features that blow your mind. Now, buckle up for some mind-blowing features of digital currencies. Decentralization. Digital currencies are like rebels. They operate without a boss. No government or big bank can tell them what to do. It's all about power to the people. Cryptography magic. Imagine your money wearing a superhero cape. That's cryptography. It keeps your transactions secure and adds a layer of mystery that bad guys can't crack. Limited supply. Some digital currencies, like Bitcoin, have a limited supply. It's like having a rare Pokémon card. The fewer there are, the more valuable they become. Say hello to scarcity. Meet the rockstars popular cryptocurrencies. Time to meet the rockstars of the digital currency world. Bitcoin BTC, the awe. It's like the Beyonce of digital currencies, the first and still stealing the show. Digital gold, they call it. Ethereum ETH, the cool kid in town. It's not just money, it's a whole platform for making super smart contracts. Smart ANSI, Ripple XBRP, the smooth operator, focusing on speedy and cheap global payments, making cross-border transactions feel like sending a text. Litecoin LTC, the sidekick, faster than a speeding bullet, but without all the drama. It's like the Robin to Bitcoin's Batman. The digital currency revolution. Alright folks, that's a wrap on our journey through the digital currency wonderland. From Bitcoin's digital gold to Ethereum's smart contracts, these currencies are changing the game. It's like having a financial superhero in your pocket. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let us know in the comments which digital currency you find the most fascinating. Until next time, stay curious, stay crypto savvy, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.